How to use Bank of America travel rewards. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Bank of America bank application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. You will then be led to the homepage of Bank of America. Redeeming your Bank of America travel rewards is the first step to using them. Fortunately, Bank of America makes this process easy, so visiting a restaurant or making a travel-related purchase and redeeming your rewards for a statement credit that offers the cost. So, open your Bank of America app firstly and select your credit card. Further, navigate to Cash Reward and Benefits and tap on the Redeem or View button. Now, tap on the Redeem for Travel Credit. They even tell you that redeeming for travel credit is the best value for your points. You can then pick your travel transactions you want to redeem for. Minimum is 2,500 points. Now, redeeming through the mobile app is much more convenient, and you can review your points and redemption history at any time. So, this is how you can use Bank of America travel rewards. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.